Rukmini, for your valuable words. Now let me invite Mr. Prince Dhawan, to express his opinions and views on this occasion.
Founder of my group of institutions, Professor Dr. V.D. Karad, sir. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Abhijit Ji, sir. Dr. Jayaprakash Narayan, sir. Dr. Raste, Professor Rahul V. Karad, and Professor Mangesh Karad, sir. Professor D.P. Apte, other revered guests in the hall, my fellow colleagues and dear students, a very good afternoon to all of you. I would firstly like to thank the MIT organization for inviting me to the felicitation program. It is indeed a moment of great honor for me to be speaking in front of such eminent personalities from different fields. The civil service exam is not just a single exam, it's a journey that perhaps goes on even after these results are declared. While I was traversing through this journey, I realized that every good and responsible citizen of our nation needs to pass through these roads, even though their final destinations may be very different. And I'm very excited, I was very excited when I learned that the unique MIT SOG program can make this happen. Today, rather than looking at this present occasion as a felicitation program, I look at it as a platform that has brought together youth who believe in a common cause, youth who have committed to serve the nation in one way or the other, who will become leaders and nation builders in the truest sense of the term, and most importantly, who will weave the fabric of our society and inspire many others to follow in their footsteps. A young nation such as India needs economic development, technological advancement, entrepreneurship, proactive governance, but above all, I feel it needs a society that is tolerant, just, and that cares for its needy. It is here that I feel we civil servants have a crucial role to play. I feel me and my colleagues, we have consciously and carefully chosen to sign up for a career in civil services because we believe in this common cause. We believe in making a difference. We believe in being the change that we wish to see. The path to doing so may not always be very easy, but it is exactly in those difficult times that the nation expects from us. I read somewhere about the ABC of administration and found it very appealing and suitable to be shared on this occasion, where A stood for acting impartially, B stood for being polite and courteous, and most importantly, C stood for cutting one's needs. जिसकी ज़रूरतें हैं कम, उसी अफसर में है दम. It is only by first cutting our needs that we will be able to look after the needs. Dedication and commitment, we, the youth of today, will be able to create that happy country. I once again thank MIT organizers for organizing this wonderful program. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Dhawan, for sharing your views, and now all of us know why they are sitting here.